Hello friends, welcome to our video on the production process of fresh buffalo meat. Today we will take you on a journey inside a factory where skilled workers are cutting and preparing buffalo meat for distribution. A buffalo farm is a type of agricultural operation where domesticated buffalo are raised for various purposes such as meat, milk, hides, and even as draft animals. Buffalo farming is becoming increasingly popular as more people discover the benefits of buffalo products. Particularly buffalo meat, which is leaner and has a richer flavor than beef. As we step inside the factory, we see a long line of buffaloes being prepared for the cutting process. The workers carefully inspect a buffalo to ensure its quality and then expertly cut the meat into various parts. The cutting process is a delicate and precious task. The workers use sharp knives and other specific equipment to separate the different cuts of meat. The meat is then sorted into different categories based on its quality and intended use. Some cuts are preferred to eat sticks, while others are better suited for ground meat or suet. Throughout the process, the workers follow strict hygiene protocols to ensure that the meat remains safe for consumption. Inside the factory, skilled workers carefully cut and prepare the buffalo meat, following strict hygiene protocols to ensure its quality and safety. Once the meat has been cut and sorted, it is sent to a state-of-the-art processing facility. Here it undergoes further processing including cleaning and packaging. The packaging process is highly efficient, with modern machinery used to ensure that each package is sealed properly and meets the highest standard of quality. Once the meat has been packaged, it is all ready for transport. It is carefully loaded onto refrigerated trucks that will be taken to customers around the world. The transport process is crucial to ensuring that the meat arrives at the destination in the same high-quality condition in its work. The refrigerated trucks are equipped to state-of-the-art temperature control system that keep the meat at the perfect temperature throughout the journey. Finally, the meat arrives at the destination, ready to be enjoyed by the customers around the world. The entire process from buffalo to packaged meat is carefully controlled and monitored to ensure the highest quality product. We hope you enjoyed this video buffalo cutting time in a factory and production process of buffalo meat. From the skilled workers who carefully prepare the meat to the state-of-the-art processing and packaging facilities and refrigerated transport vehicles that ensure the meat arrives at the destination in perfect condition. To ensure process is carefully controlled to ensure the highest quality product. We invite you to share this video with your friends and family. And to learn more about this fascinating world of the food production, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.